Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another college week in my life. Today is Tuesday, February 4th. I have classes basically all day today from like 9 to 5. I have 4 and then like a break in between my first and second one. So it's a busy day. I'm usually always like exhausted after Tuesday, Thursdays, but it's the only days that I have class, so it kind of makes like it worth it. I am about to head out. I have to run downstairs and grab some breakfast and snacks that I snack on throughout the day. But yeah, it's supposed to be like 55, 60, but rainy. So I have my rain jacket on. It's just like a white one from the North Face. It's kind of wrinkly, but hopefully it's fine. Then I have like this sea green, it's kind of like a cruise sweatshirt type thing. It's a little bit longer. It's from American Eagle. I actually got this pink one too. They were on sale for like 40% off, and then I had an extra 10% off, so I got them for $24 instead of $50. So yeah, I just got those two colors. I have my Lulu leggings on and then my sneakers. My room is clearly a disaster. I've been home at my parents' house all weekend, so I haven't cleaned or anything. I still have to pack up my backpack, but I just wanted to film this intro to make sure that I got it filmed because I feel like I'm always running late on school days. But yeah, it's 8:53 and I have to leave by like 9:10 at the latest, so I'm early if not on time. I'm home from classes now. All of my classes actually went pretty well. I feel like it was a pretty good day. I also brought more food with me, so like I ate more throughout the day and I just feel like so much better. So I feel like I definitely need to be packing like more food that I can snack on throughout the day so that I'm not so like miserable when I get home. One cool thing in my new product development class, which is for my marketing minor, we had to like kind of pitch our like new product ideas, and so mine was actually one that like I had like 10 people come up to me and they were like, oh my gosh, I love that idea. Like I think it was one of the top ones, which shocked me. I was not expecting that. It's basically like I was FaceTiming my friend and we're trying to plan a trip, and so I'm like on my laptop like looking at flights and cruises and like hostels, stuff like that. And then I FaceTime her on my phone, and so I kept propping my phone up on my laptop and it would always fall down. Then I would have to get something else and try and prop it up. So I came up, I was like, okay, what if we somehow like snap something onto the side of the laptop where we could kind of like put the phone into like the silicone like case almost, that it would like hold it there and like it wouldn't fall or anything. There's 4 people in my group, and so we're gonna be developing that and advertising, marketing that throughout the rest of the semester. But yeah, right now I just need to like chill for a second, so I am getting my diffuser going. My mom actually just got me this peppermint essential oil. Peppermint is my favorite scent, and I have eucalyptus, but it's just like not really the same, so I'm gonna just do a whole lot of peppermint to help with my mind clarity. And it just smells so good, and for some reason like my house smells a lot, like it just smells weird. So I'm gonna add maybe like 6 drops. Let's see. I feel like I always like add a lot, like too much, but this one's actually really strong, so that should be good. We'll get that going. I also made myself a cup of peppermint tea, so I'm gonna drink that, and you guys can tell my room is an absolute disaster. So I am going to be working on cleaning that up before I start some more homework. But yeah, like I said, I just need to like chill for a second, so I'm just gonna sit down and just, yeah, do nothing. So I'm all set up here. I'm gonna get started on some homework. Just finished making my weekly list. This is how I stay organized. I put every class that I have, and I just do boxes and tell myself exactly what I need to do. And like for certain due dates, like if they're different or like specific, then I add those as well. I I just finished my workout. It was seriously so good. I searched dance body, so this video is on their YouTube channel. It's called Dance Cardio Intervals, and obviously, like the name suggests, there's like a lot of dance cardio stuff, but then also like we focused on our arms and our abs and our booty a little bit. It was seriously, oh my gosh, it was so good and so fun, and like the dancer in me just loves it. I am going to take a shower because I sweat, but I honestly love when I sweat during workouts. I feel like just so much more productive and like that I actually did something. So we're gonna shower. I'm finished with dinner. It was super delicious. It was like a veggie with noodles, and it was very, very good. Super easy to make. But yeah, I got some mint chocolate chip ice cream here. It's about 9 o'clock, so I'm just gonna watch Netflix for the rest of the night probably. I just don't want to do more homework, so I'm just gonna chill. It's a Wednesday morning. I just got home from tutoring. I tutor once a week at a public school, and I actually did it last semester too, so I have the same girl this semester, which is awesome because we just get to like build on our relationship, and she's just super cute. I love her. So yeah, I just got home though. My face is like frozen because it's so cold outside, so I am going to make some breakfast. I didn't eat anything before I left. Yeah, it's about 10:40, so I just poured myself a glass of OJ that I'm gonna drink while I cook, and then I'm also gonna do some toast and some eggs, and I also want to make this, what is this called, the French press, which I haven't done since I've lived here just because I don't have like a pot to heat up the water, but I think that I will probably just use like this, I guess. I think that'll work, and I'll just put water in there and heat that up and then do French press, but I'm gonna do that after I eat breakfast because I don't like to eat breakfast and drink coffee. I like breakfast then coffee, or vice versa, so. I definitely made this way too light, but it still tastes good, and I don't really like dark coffee, so at least I'll be able to finish everything before it getting cold. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on some homework now. I'm going to work on my rhetorical theory class, and then I'm also gonna get started on my interpersonal communication class. These are obviously like my two main classes. They're both online and they're supplemental lectures, so it's just like pretty time consuming. It's as if you were actually like taking an in-person class. So they definitely take the bulk of my time, so I like to get them first. So yeah, I'm just gonna be working on that today. It's 11:11, so make a wish. I think my mom and I are working out later this afternoon at, I think the class is at 3 maybe. Yeah, 3:15, so I have quite a while to get all of my stuff done. It's about 1:30 now. I am about to head over and meet my mom on campus. We're just gonna get some work done because she has class till 1:30, so we're just gonna do homework until it's time for the workout class to start. But obviously I'm gonna bring everything. I just like have been walking so much lately, and I'm so tired of it. Like I walk, I guess it's really only like 2 miles a day. It's not very far or anything, but it's just like I feel like I'm always walking when I'm on campus. So yeah, I have this kind of turquoise tank on from Target. These are actually Lucy leggings. They're super comfy. Got my sneakers on, and my hair's up because it's like it dried super wild last night. So yeah, I need to grab my laptop because I'm going to start working on watching these lectures. I finished Rhet Theory, so I'm just gonna pack that up. And this coffee, oh my gosh, it was so gross. I just like could not even finish it. I just like have not been able to drink coffee lately. I don't know why. It's just like not tasting good to me, so I need to just stick with my peppermint tea. But yeah, I've got a water bottle. Did not make my bed today. keys. This, I think I'm gonna throw the shirt on that I wore yesterday on top, and then yeah, here we go. Thursday, it's actually about 5:45. I did not vlog at all really like this morning because I was running late. I like woke up my normal time and I was like doing everything normally, but I just like could not figure out what to wear. Like I have so many clothes, but I feel like none of them go with like the shoes that I have, which is so dumb. Like it's such a first world problem. But I did leave a little bit late, and yeah, I just like did not have time for any of that, so I just didn't film. I mean, my day was fine, like nothing really out of the ordinary. It's just like so long, which I know I say every day, every vlog, but it just really is so long. Like last semester I had 4 classes in a row, like back to back to back, and it was like not a big deal at all. But this semester I still have 4, but there's a break between my first and my second, so it makes the day like so much longer. I definitely need to clean up my room because clothes are everywhere, and I am going to start editing this video because, as you guys know, I upload Saturday mornings, so I usually start editing Thursday night and then I finish on Friday, which is obviously tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna include this though. I ordered from Cupshe for the first time, which I think is not really like the best brand to support since I'm pretty sure it's fast fashion, but my friend sent me the link of it because we are most likely going on a cruise in April, and like it's like the Southern Caribbean, and so we want to have some cute suits. So I'm just going to like try these on, I guess. I'm super excited about these. They have so many cute ones. I actually ordered a 3rd one yesterday. But yeah, I'm going to Hawaii in May, and then I'm probably gonna move to the Caribbean in the fall to teach English again. So I just like will obviously use these and have lots of uses for them. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys them. I am super excited, and they shipped super fast. They have free shipping, and yeah, it was really fast. So okay, this is the first one that I got, which I got a size medium, which my friend said is the size that she wears, and over the summer we wore a lot of the same stuff and like it fit both of us. Okay, this looks a little bit different, and it also looks really big. I have like the world's smallest boobs. But this is the top. It's a super cute orange color. I don't really have anything that color. I'll try it on for you in a second. And then we have some high-waisted bottoms, which are super cute. I love the matching stuff. This actually feels like really good quality. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. It's like kind of retro, same kind of style, but just got like some, I don't know, ziggy-zag lines. And then this bottom, which I hope is not too cheeky because I don't like my butt showing, and I don't like having to worry about all that. I like full coverage bottoms, but these definitely look a little cheeky. But let's try it on and see how they look. This first one, I don't know how I feel about it. I really like the color and the cut and the style, but I feel like the pattern just looks like kind of dumb. And also with some high-waisted, like I like when it's below my belly button sometimes, because I feel like it kind of like cuts me off if I like pull it all the way up. But bottoms aren't too cheeky. It's really comfy, but I'm just not sure if I love it. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like childish maybe, I'm not sure. Dang, I was so excited about these. Okay, this one I love. It is so cute. I feel like it's like more my style because I feel like I'm kind of like retro, I guess. Not really, but I feel like these colors and like patterns just fit better. So yeah, the top's like a little bit big, but I think it will be good. Again, I just have like nothing up there, so it's just like kind of the same thing that I find with a lot of tops. Okay, I will definitely keep this one. I think I'm gonna wait and try on the 3rd one that I ordered and see if I like that one, and I might ship that orange one back. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. So it's a bit later now, it's 7:30, and I am going to make some dinner. I feel like I've eaten like a lot of crap today, and I don't know, I just don't like feel super good, so I think I'm just gonna do some eggs, and since I definitely need my veggies, I'm going to add some of these frozen veggies in there, and I'll probably do a piece of toast. I just woke up. I was planning to sleep in, but I opened up my window and look how snowy it is. I had no idea it was supposed to snow so much. Here's what my morning looks like. It's a little after 9. I actually got up kind of early this morning, which is good because I feel like I have a lot to get done today. Yeah, it's a little after 9. By the way, I have been listening to this new album from A Wonder. It is so good. My favorite songs are Happy and Hallelujah. But yeah, I have my peppermint tea here. It's actually my second cup. It's so good. And then this is my Friday list. Sometimes, like, even though I have all this, I like to break it down by the days, because sometimes, like yesterday, I was like, oh, I can do that tomorrow. Oh, I can do that tomorrow. So now I like actually have to get stuff done. It's about 11:30. I am about to head out to the yoga class. I'm all bundled up. The snow stopped, but it's only like 20 degrees outside, and I hate being cold. And I get cold super easily. So I've got my hat on, my scarf, my big jackets. Yeah, I'm wearing, oh guys, I got these new shoes from TJ Maxx. They're Reeboks, and they're like purple, and they're super cute. They finally had my size, and they were only $35. Home from class now. It was seriously such a good workout. She's just so good, and I love that it's yoga, so like it's stretching and like very calm, but it's also like fast-paced in her class, and so you're constantly moving from like one pose to the next, and it's just a really good workout. So I did do a little arm workout when I got home. Madison Mealy posted it on Instagram, so it was just like a few things with weights. Didn't really feel like doing any cardio, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shower. Like I said, I'm babysitting tonight, and so I have to hop on a bus to head over there. And my mom's gonna pick me up because the bus doesn't like actually take me to my parents' house, and they live like in my neighborhood, so that's why I'm going over there. But yeah, I just like don't have as much time as I thought I did, so I am going to shower and get a meal, and then pack up and probably finish editing this video and then get on my bus. I am out of the shower. It felt so good. It just feels so good to shower sometimes. Something that I've been using lately though is this herbal essence. It's a curl boosting mousse. I used to use this all the time in high school. My friends and I both did, but it just like, I don't know, I feel like I really like it because like my hair is naturally pretty wavy, but then sometimes it dries curlier than other times. So I feel like with this, it like looks more of like a nicer curl. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in. My battery is dying. Yeah, I don't do too much. The other night I accidentally put way too much in, and it was like super like crunchy kind of. Just did not dry well. So yeah, just kind of scrunch it all the way in. Sorry, I'm trying to see my mirror here. So for lunch, I have a salad. I've got some goldfish, some mandarin oranges, strawberry banana yogurt, and then PB&J. This is very like first grade lunch, but I'm just like super hungry and this all sounded good. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like this was overall a pretty good week, and I was editing this video last night and I like how it turned out and everything. So yeah, just hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe so that you guys are notified when I post new videos, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.